Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So these are for your daily energies, Capricorn. This is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship. And I will also be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, so we will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. Capricorn, for your daily energy, we have King of Swords, Queen of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with these cards in your situation, guys, people see you as a very caring, responsible person. So it may be with the people you work with, your colleagues, your mentors or your employees. They come to you for your guidance and support, and you are a very warm person. You help anybody with that smiling face, generosity, and with that helping nature, guys. So people see you as a very helpful person. So that is what they see. Maybe this person you are in love with, they may be attracted to you because of your helping nature, because of your generosity and the way you care for other people and the way you help them day to day, or when they come to you for some support or guidance. So that is what they love about you, Capricorn. That is what I see. And also, you are a person of great strength and confidence. You have firm ideals and beliefs what you need to do, and you are a person of action. You are ready to move into that action, ready to do anything for anyone. So maybe again this may be the reason for your helpful nature, guys. So you are ready to help people always, and you are ready to face any situation that may come up in your life. So whatever the situation is, maybe something good or maybe something bad, you are always ready to face anything with a smiling face. That is what I see here. You have that confidence and courage in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may have some kind of habits, guys, that may be stressing you. Maybe some harmful habits for some of you, like drinking, smoking. Something may be troubling you, guys. Maybe this may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy. So some kind of stressful situations or anxiety is there in your situation because of these habits, Capricorn. That is what I see with these cards for your daily energy, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. The Sun. This is a very positive card here, guys. So with this card, I feel that you have that strength and courage and determination to overcome any troubles in your situation. So you are moving in your life, progressing in your life with that confidence and strength, and you are putting in your genuine efforts. So whatever your situation is, you are trying really hard to make things go in the right direction, guys. And you have that advantage of a positive progress or positivity today because of the way you feel, that confidence and conviction in your work, and you're putting in tremendous efforts. That is what I see with this card, guys. In your career, Capricorn, you will be reaching success. That is what this card is about, and you're on the way towards success, guys. So what is the card for your relationship? It's Knight of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So this may relate to your energy or your person's energy, guys. And maybe for some of you, this person you are in connection with, you may feel that they are irresponsible in some ways. They are not they are not putting in efforts. They are just lazy. They are just there to have fun with you, not to have that responsibility in any way. So they may be maybe they are not in a good position like you, maybe financially. That may be the reason for this behavior, or they are just careless and they don't want that responsibility, and they have an indifferent attitude towards you or towards this connection, guys. So that is also what I see with this card, guys. So you are really sick and tired of their attitude, this laziness, or some kind of lethargy. That is what I see with this card. That may be the energy they have towards you or this connection, or it may be your energy towards this person. Maybe you may feel that they are not worthy enough for you, and you may have this lethargic energy in this connection, guys. That is what I see with this card, Capricorn. So what is the angel guidance card for your Capricorn? So this card may or may not relate to your situation today, but it is a guidance, guys. So when we follow this guidance, it will help us to make our day a better one, guys. So that is what I see. That is what this card is about, guys. So let us see what is the card. Trust the flow. So Capricorn, in your situation today, whatever is unfolding, each and everything, guys, has a particular pattern. So there are some things that we feel that we can control, but there are some things we may feel that we cannot control, guys. So in such situations, we need to understand that it is the divine plan that is working in our life. So when we have that feeling in our situation, like when we are making some decisions, some choices, we may feel sometimes that we are going in the right path, or sometimes we may feel that we are not going in the right path. You have to listen to that, trust that feeling, and have that understanding in our situation. So when we get that guidance in our life, we have to listen to it, guys. So that is what this card is about. And each and every one of us have a divine plan in life, how our life unfolds. So we have to understand that each and every one of us have a unique pattern in which our life flows. So we have to trust the flow, however life takes us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the guidance, the angel's guidance. So whatever is our life's purpose, our life will flow towards that, and we have to have that understanding. And that is the reading for your Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.